Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, brothers, sisters, and friends. Today we will talk about Prophet Dawud and other name in Bible, Prophet David. Prophet Dawud Allah was born in 1040 BC in present-day Palestine and died in 17 years of age. He was the third king of the kingdom of Israel. It is said that the had short height, blue eyes, and less hair on his dad. So friends, Dawud's father was a nobleman by the name of Isha. Isha had many sons, of which Dawud was the youngest. Dawud loved his father and was a kind of gentle son. While Dawud was still a young boy, his father sent him to travel with the Bani Isra'il's army. The first person to make an armor was Dawud. People used to join iron pieces on their body and were unable to fight due to their weight. So Allah Almighty made iron as soft as a paste in his hands, and he was making armors with his own hands, and which were light in weight and could also protect the body from weapons. So friends, people Dawud ruled Palestine for 40 years, 7 years of which was spent in Hebron and 33 years in Al-Quds, Jerusalem. He was known for wisdom, strength, and devotion to Allah Almighty. In Surah Sad, mentioned about him that bear potentially what they say and remember our servant Dawud, the possessor of power. Surely he was frequent returning to Allah Almighty. Be patient over that they say and remember our servant David. Prophet David or Dawud of strength in need was a patient soul. Dawud in Islam is considered a prophet and messenger of God, Allah Almighty, as well as a righteous, divinely anointed monarch of the United Kingdom of Israel. Additionally, Muslims also honor David to having received the divine revelations of the Zabur. So friends, Prophet Dawud is perhaps most famous in Islam for defeating the Palestine Gate Goliath when he was a soldier in the army. King Saul, Talmud. His genealogy goes back through Judah, the son of Prophet Jacob, to Prophet Abraham. In the Quran, the Zabur is mentioned by name 3 times. The Quran itself says nothing about the Zabur specifically except that it was revealed to Dawud, and that is the Zabur is written, my servants, the righteous shall inherit the earth. So friend, the Zabur romanized is according to Islam the holy book of David, one of the holy books revealed by God before the Quran, alongside others such as the Torah and the Injil, Bible. Muslim tradition maintains the Zabur mentioned in the Quran is the person of David. Prophet Talmud offered his youngest daughter, Bibical bin Dawud, as a wife to Prophet Dawud, which he accepted. Prophet Dawud had 8 wives: Bibical, Ahinom, Abigail, Macha, Haggith, Abital, Igla, Bathsheba, and other 18 children. So friends, although the tomb of Prophet Dawud is said to be located outside the old city of Al-Qudus on Mount Zion, Islamic tradition believes that rather being his tomb, the site is a fact maqam, which marks the place where he had once stayed. The lack of clear evidence for Dawood's burial led to medieval tradition tracking his tomb is really on Mount Zion. The site is venerated by Jews this way. Although it contradicts the Bibical clear indication that Dawood was buried in the city of Dawood, not at Mount Zion. So friends, Allah Hafiz.